Good morning, class 11. Welcome back to the class. So we are in chapter number 10, straight lines. Yesterday we discussed about slope of a line, then angle between two lines and all those things. Today we will solve some questions of NCERT exercise 10.1. So here is question number 6. Please grab your NCERT textbook, pause the video, grab your textbook, read out the question carefully, and then let's move to the solution. Without using Pythagoras theorem, we have to show that the points A 4, 4, B 3, 5 and C -1, 1 are the vertices of a right triangle. So children, we will use the concept of slope here. In a right angle triangle, the sides other than the hypotenuse are mutually perpendicular to each other. Now you see, say I have a line. Slope of line L1 is equal to M1 and slope of line L2 is equal to M2. We'll come to the question. First, let's see what we have discussed yesterday. Angle between two lines. We say tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2 modulus. Okay. Now, if the lines are parallel, if L1 is parallel to L2, then angle between them theta will be 0. So what is tan 0? 0. So 0 equal to M1 M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2. Right? Okay. Now even if if I remove this mod, I have to consider two cases, plus 0 and minus 0. So with 0, positive or negative sign doesn't make any difference. So what am I left with? 0 equal to M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2. Why I am saying कि modulus हटाएंगे तो plus और minus दो केस लेने हैं. This can be either positive or negative. So when I remove mod, I will take this quantity as case 1 will be positive, case 2 will be negative. But since it is 0, positive or negative sign is not going to make any difference. So I am not taking any two cases, just simple 0. Now on cross multiplication, what do I get? I get M2 minus M1 equal to 0. That is M2 equal to M1. So if any two lines are parallel, their slope will be same. Their slopes will be equal in magnitude. Now case 2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. L1 perpendicular to L2. In that case, theta becomes pi by 2. That is 90 degrees. Okay. Now, what is tan 90? Undefined. Tan 90 is undefined. So, I can take it as k upon 0, where k is any non-zero constant. K upon 0. Tan 90. Tan 90 undefined. K upon 0. K is a non-zero constant. Non-zero constant upon 0. This is undefined. Is equal to mod of M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2. Now since I am not taking mod here, I will take two cases. Plus K or minus K upon 0. Now go for cross multiplication. Plus or minus k multiplied by 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. Now I divide both the sides by plus or minus k. I am left with 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. 0 divided by plus or minus k will turn out to be 0 because k is a non-zero constant number. So 1 plus m1 m2 equal to 0. M1 M2 equal to minus 1. This is the condition for two lines to be perpendicular. If any two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. In other words, you can say M1 equal to minus 1 upon M2 or M2 equal to minus 1 upon M1. So if any two lines are perpendicular, the slope of one of the lines will be the negative reciprocal of the slope of another line. M1 is equal to 1 upon M2 means reciprocal. If it is minus 1 upon M2, negative reciprocal. एक लाइन का स्लोप दूसरे लाइन के स्लोप का नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल किसी लाइन का स्लोप a upon b है So any line perpendicular to it will have a slope minus b upon a, negative reciprocal. Understood? We will use this concept for question number 6. Okay. Now 3 vertices are given. I'll find the slope of all the 3 sides. Slope of AB. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 5 minus 4, 1 upon 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Slope of AB is minus 1. Slope of BC, B and C, y2 minus y1 minus 6 upon x2 minus x1 minus 4, minus 6 upon minus 4, that is 3 upon 2. y2 minus y1 minus 6 upon x2 minus x1 is minus 4, that is 3 upon 2. Now slope of AC, let's see. Slope of AC, y2 minus y1 minus 5 upon x2 minus x1 minus 5. Minus 5 upon minus 5 is 1. अब वो दो स्लोप्स देखो जिनका प्रोडक्ट इक्वल टू माइनस 1 हो. 3 upon 2 into minus 1 is not equal to minus 1. 3 upon 2 into 1 is not equal to minus 1. But 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. What is negative reciprocal of 1? Minus 1. And what is negative reciprocal of minus 1? It is 1. So, slope of AB multiplied by slope of AC is equal to minus 1. It means these two sides are mutually perpendicular. AB perpendicular AC. And what is the common point in both the line segments, both the sides? A. A is the common. So angle A will be the right angle. This is how you will have the triangle. This can be B, this can be C or BC. B or C go, you can swap it. But A is the right angle. Got it, children? Clear? So we have not used the distance formula to calculate the sides, then applying Pythagoras theorem. We have used the concept of slope. Right? Now the slope of a line is double the slope of another line. If tangent of the angle between them, suppose angle between them is theta, then tangent of the angle between them means tan theta, is given as 1 upon 3. We have to find the slopes. Let the slopes are m and 2m. One of the lines have slope which is double the slope of another line. So m and 2m. Theta is the angle between them. Question says tan theta equal to 1 upon 3. So we know that mod of m2 minus m1, 2m minus m upon 1 plus m1 m2, 2m into m, 2m square is equal to tan theta, that is 1 upon 3. अब मॉड्यूलस हटाएंगे, so we have to consider both the cases, plus and minus 1 upon 3. 2m minus m is m upon 1 plus 2m square equal to 1 upon 3. This is case 1. m upon 1 plus 2m square equal to minus 1 upon 3. This is case number 2. एक बार पॉजिटिव एक बार नेगेटिव. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. 1 plus 2m square equal to 3m. 2m square minus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Quadratic equation of m. Now here 1 plus 2m square equal to minus 3m. 2m square plus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. This is second quadratic equation, right? Let us solve. M equal to minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 9 minus 8 is 1. Root 1 is 1. 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4. 1. If I take minus 3 minus 1, 2. 2 upon 4. 1 by 2. And here what do I get? m equal to minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac 9 minus 8 1 आ जाएगा upon 2a. So if I consider plus, so minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2. If I consider minus 1, it is minus 4 upon 4, that is minus 1. Understood? Now if slope of one of the lines is 1 by 2, slope of another line will be 1. If slope of one of the lines is taken as minus 1 by 2, slope of another line will be minus 1. Double? Just double, right? I hope you got it. Understood, children? So if I consider slope of one of the lines m as 1 by 2, then 2m will become 1. If I consider m as minus 1 by 2, 2m will become minus 1. Understood? So this is the reason for getting dual answers. Coming to next question. Question says point A, B and C are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same line. Now see children, 3 points A, B, C. If they lie on the same line, then slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Right? Since they are collinear. Slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. Okay, slope of AB, y2 minus y1, b minus 0, b upon x2 minus x1, a minus h equal to slope of AC ले लो, BC ले लो, anything you can take it, it hardly makes any difference. Slope of AC, y2 minus y1, k minus 0 is k upon x2 minus x1, 0 minus h is minus h. Cross multiply कर देते हैं. Minus BH equal to AK minus KH. I will take this term to the right side and bring this to the left side. KH equal to AK plus BH. Okay. Now we want 1. I'll do one thing. Divide LHS by KH and RHS by KH. So 1 equal to AK upon KH, A upon H. BH upon KH, H cancel B upon K. This is what we have to prove. A upon H plus B upon K equal to 1. I hope you got the solution, children. In the same way, try to solve the questions of this exercise. We'll move in the concept in the next class ahead.